Hi again from the 2026 Florida RV Supershow in Tampa. Today we're going to look at units that fold, origami sensations in the RV world. Some you may already be familiar with. Let's dive in and take a look. The Trailmanor 2720 is designed to fit inside a standard garage.
This one is a 2720, so it's 27 foot open, 20 foot closed. This is a 2518, so 25 foot open, 18 feet closed.
There you go. Plus, that's the industry secret right there.
Yes. Our model numbers actually do correspond.
Right. Unlike many.
Yes.
I'm right at 6 feet. You can see the line where this thing folds down. Probably about 5 feet high. How long does it take? Not long.
Under 5 minutes to set up.
Wow.
Start to finish.
Your bed just slides in. There's no bars to set up or any of that mess. Put it down. So open, it's 27 feet, but right now it's 18. It'll fit in your standard garage. When I open this, I'm not lifting, I'm just kind of leaning back and I'm just pulling it towards me.
Trailmanor says you can tow this properly equipped with a minivan or a crossover SUV. Only 1 extra gallon of gas to tow it 100 miles, but that's assuming you're not going up and down the Rockies. The larger model, of course, comes with a much larger sink. The refrigerator is 12 volt, as most all of them are these days. You get 3 burners on your stove, and there's a lot of counter space in here. You've got a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater, all LED interior lighting. You get 40 gallons of fresh water, 20 gallons on the slide-out models. Your gray tank has 35 gallons. Probably the industry's smallest tiny cabinet. 15-inch wheels. And you got twin propane. Always nice when one runs out, you've got the other there. Spacious king bed. This bathroom a little bit larger because it's a larger model. The full-size bath has a soaking half tub, which is really nice. Dometic flush toilet. Very well thought out, as of course they would have to, because half of this folds down. Fold it up, it's going to fit in your garage. There are 12 different versions of this in 4 models. The one they're showing here in Tampa, it's the 2518 KS. Even though the 2518 is the smallest of the models, it's still standard width for extra interior room and storage, and it has that big king bed. Even storage for your folding stair step. Look at that. Very spacious as this thing pops up and folds out. This has toy hauler style flooring. You can keep it clean very easily. Look at that huge bed in the back. Dometic refrigerator. Your 2-burner stove is over here because the kitchenette is small over there. But again, they had to configure this so that you could drop this entire trailer down and fit it into your garage. Even so, you can fit 3 people on the sofa very easily, or just take up the whole thing yourself and lay down on it. Your choice. And as you would expect, it converts into a bed. Very basic kitchenette. Look at this. This has to be the tiniest cabinet I have ever seen. It even has a little tiny shelf. Look at that. You've heard of tiny homes. We found the tiny cabinet at the RV show. When this thing is up, there's a lot of room inside. I mean, look, the bed continues to go back, back, back. And this particular edition at the Tampa show has water view, no extra charge. Now as this thing pops up, you can see your bathroom is kind of like origami here. A dry bath with a decent sized shower pan, Coleman Mach air conditioning, roof vent.
Your waste valve is protected.
There are many, many more Aliner models. Check out GPS2. You'll see all of the A-liners that were at the Hershey RV show, all of them 2026 models. Set up in 30 seconds. That gives you an idea of how fast it is to set up an A-liner. And here are the latches for the front dormer. There you go. Aliner has been in business since 1984. You can still get the 40th anniversary edition. The large bunk and bed in the back, a forward dinette. Looks like it could seat about 4 people. The folding table and the dinette, you can take that outside if you like. It's a nice option. Easy to clean toy hauler style floors. Again, like with most A-liners, plenty of headroom in here. And here's the line where it folds up. It's based on the Evolution 12 model. A 2-burner stove and a round Dometic sink. About 15 feet long, 2,000 pounds dry weight, 11-gallon freshwater tank in this unique dual queen bed layout. This unit's going to run you about $30,000. Well, here's the Aliner E15 TB. Twin bed. It's a double hard dormer. These are very similar to the A-liners in the Hershey RV show. Check out GPS2, the link is in the description, where I show you every A-liner shown at the Hershey RV show. Lots of room. Check this out. As I've shown you in other A-liners, you can't even touch the ceiling. But the neat thing about this A-liner is, yes, it has its own shower. And it's right down here on the floor. And a decent sized shower pan. Nice round Dometic sink. Dual burner stove. Yes, the refrigerator is small, but this is below the line where the trailer folds up. As I like to call it, the origami trailer. You do have a cassette toilet in this unit, which is always nice. The twin beds can become a king bed. The unit weighs about 2,400 pounds dry and is 18 feet long. For a pop-up trailer, it has a lot of room, a lot of amenities. $40,000 show price for an Evolution. Yeah, I know that can sound a little steep. But there's a lot of workmanship that goes into this. When you're talking about manufacturing and paying people's wages and that kind of thing, you can understand how this would cost $40,000. This is the brand new Aliner Switchback. It has quickly become one of Aliner's most popular items. We saw it in Hershey, Pennsylvania on the back of a trailer, but now we get to see it actually on the back of a truck. They have it sitting on the back of a Jeep Rubicon. So that gives you an idea of the fit in the bed. Very basic unit, but you know, for a lot of people, this is all they need. Just some shelter out in the woods. The Switchback has a quick-release tie-down system and will fit in beds between 5.5 and 8 feet. Clearly, this Rubicon does not have its ducts on display. Another garage-friendly Aliner that sits under 7 feet tall when closed. This one has a 60 by 72-inch queen bed. Made with an all-aluminum frame, it weighs just 375 pounds. It has a 30-amp converter with 12-volt outlets, tinted safety glass. Depending on your configuration, there's limited inside storage possible. Outside are two 60-inch long lockable drawers. How much does this one run?
10 grand.
10 grand. Here are two honorable mention units from Aliner and Trailmanor that do not fold yet are very compact. This Ascape was shown at the Hershey show. This one was not. You only see it here at Tampa. Dual propane tanks. Look at all the solar on the roof. That's because this is the AMP Ascape Plus. Weighing at just 1,700 pounds dry and 14 feet long, the Ascape Plus is designed for easy towing by small SUVs. With a generous 6'4" interior height, it has a 50-watt solar panel, open floor plan with a 2-burner cooktop, stainless steel sink, fully enclosed wet bath, and cassette toilet. Alright, this one's by Trailmanor. It's the TM16. It comes with a dry bath. You've got about a foot of ground clearance in it. 2,720 pounds is the shipping weight. You can sleep 4, they say, with the bunk above the bed. It's got an optional package including off-road tires. You got 2 awnings. Yes, not just one. You have 2 awnings. A power tongue jack. You always like that. Solar prepped. The wheel wells are also steel. They say to protect in case of a blowout. That's always important, especially when you have a single axle. This giant and well-lit pass-through storage. How many times have you had an issue outside with your black tank valves? This one has a protective guard. It's a basic layout, but you know, for this length, that's what you would expect. Front bunk bed, a 2-person dinette. You could squeeze 4 in, since they say it sleeps 4. And looks like plenty of decent storage up above. Fully enclosed cabinet space running along both sides and across the entire front. And even though the kitchenette is small, it's pretty well designed. Always nice to have a sink cover that expands your counter space. Let's check out the bathroom. Basic amenities, but you know, it gets the job done. What I like about this small rig is the really big refrigerator. If you carry anything, carry food. Or maybe some fresh water. You can open the refrigerator and the freezer from both sides. A lot of great features in this one. Very similar to the other model. The layout is nearly identical. We didn't look inside the cabinets in the other one, but there you have. This is about shy of 12 inches deep. Running all the way across the dinette. This runs all the way across the bed, and this has a lot more storage in here. There you go. The heater is on in this unit with the door open, and I can tell you it is toasty inside. Again, with the dual door refrigerator freezer. Lot of decent room inside. And for a small sink, this is actually decent with a square profile. A lot of room, stainless steel. Again, the cover makes it nice because look how much counter space you suddenly have. And they got the vertical Furrion 2-burner stove to save even more counter space with your microwave underneath. Well, there you have it, several RV units that actually fold up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out GPS and GPS2 for many more videos, and we'll see you again down the road.